Hey, I hope everybody's doing well right now. I got a video for you and it's going to be about Photoshop. I know I haven't done a Photoshop video in a while, but I decided I'd show you guys something in Photoshop that you're able to remove like an extra edge. So let's get into it so I can explain further. We're going to open up our Photoshop. We're going to pick your folder, pick your file. So I'm going to pick something where I can just quickly remove a background and show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to remove the background. I'm going to go to the over here, select Magic Eraser tool. Right? I'm just cleaning it up using the Magic Eraser. Any spots in her hair. So over here, we're just going to go to the plus button down here. And we're going to drag this layer and put it underneath layer 0. So it's underneath her. Now what we're going to do is, I'm going to change this to blue. It's already there. Now go to this paint bucket and basically have this layer selected, layer 1. You can rename this to background if you want. So as you can see, it has all of these problems on layer 1. This is from this image. So let's just go clean that up. Eraser tool. I'm not going to go too much on the inside of like her image, because what I'm about to show you is going to clean that up. Hover over the image, hold down the control and left click it. Now we're going to go up here to the lasso tool. We're going to right click, select and mask. Okay. Now over here you're going to play with this, like the radius. I would put the radius probably like at 1. Now you're going to mess with the smoothness. Feather. See that? The feather actually gives it this, makes it look like it's going to glow, which could be useful, but that's not what we're doing here. We're trying to get that edge off, right? So we're going to bring this down. As you can see, it's pretty much taken away the edge that we didn't want. Select inverse. Let's go to edit. Let's clear that. Now we're going to go select, deselect. We can do this whole process again to get it even more clear. As you can see, we got the hair off up here, but we can still get some more around here. So, and as you can see, it took this off. Now we still have over here. So we can keep repeating this process of doing this until the edges are completely smooth. Now in here, this is something else. To get rid of those spots, what I would do, you could mask it and erase it, but you don't really have to do that because we could just duplicate this image, duplicate the layer. Okay, we're going to turn off this one, and what we're going to do, we're just going to brush inside there. I can even go further and clean it up even more, like around here, and just maybe take some of this off completely, but I'm just leaving it like that. I just wanted to show you guys, like, so if you had a logo or something, you could have did the same thing to clean up the around, to make it smoother around the edges. Anyways, that's about it, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you learned something today, hit the like, and if you want to keep learning with the channel, hit the subscription, put the notification bell on, and until next time, keep learning and keep teaching. See ya.